Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting stable and centered. Place both crutches close in front of you and plant the good foot slightly ahead. This gives a controlled pivot. Once done, transfer most weight onto the sound leg and crutches while keeping shoulders relaxed so you avoid hunching. Make small adjustments to crutch height if you feel off balance. This initial positioning matters because it determines reach and safety for every step. You now lower yourself step by leading with the crutches. First, place both crutch tips firmly on the lower stair or floor. This creates a secure support platform. Then, lean forward just enough to transfer weight through the crutches, keeping the injured side relaxed. Next, lower the injured foot or keep it off the step as needed, and bring the good leg down last to re-establish a stable stance. This sequence reduces strain and risk. To finish, move both crutches fully onto the landing and plant the good foot so you regain a balanced stance. Pause and recenter your weight before walking away. If something feels wrong, like dizziness or slippage, sit or grab a railing right away and reassess. This prevents falls. Practice this routine on a single stair with supervision until it feels automatic, because repetition builds the timing and confidence you need for safe stair negotiation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.